Hey, kid. You got to get down. Come on.
Hello. Well, how much are they asking?
Well, that's a lot of money for a deck.
Well, I hate to tell you this, but you're getting robbed. Did you hear me? You're getting robbed. Ow! Stop! Stop!
Hi, can I get a quarter with change?
Yeah. Oh, it's me.
Sorry.
Oh, Kevin.
Sarah.
Hi. So what are you doing?
Dude, I forgot your wallet.
Ow. Patient has a fractured fibula. Given him a mild sedative. So he could be able to go home tomorrow.
Daddy's gonna be so excited.
All good.
That killed him.
Paging, Doctor.
I don't hate your mother. Morning, Bev.
All the boys are calling crazy girl.
I hope she sings this tonight.
I know. Hey, Dad, pull over. We need gum.
I'm on it. Oh, honey? Here's some money.
What do we got here?
Hello.
Look at the cute dog.